In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kiehls promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Kiehls promo codes. Right here, as you can see, the very first option is couponfollow.com, a website that I recommend you to use. And for example, if I want to select this 25% of discount, all I have to do is select your coupon code and I can use this promo code on my next order in order to get my discount. Also, if I'm going back to the main search right here on Google, I have also this website simplycodes.com. This is another website that you can use and has a lot of offers and discount codes. And for example, if I want to get 25% discount on my next purchase, I have here this promo code, which is GLOW. You can select use code right here, and you can copy this code in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.